can see the dishwasher has this nice little white blanket over it, which is just insulation. And what this does is it helps reduce noise and vibration and that kind of stuff. So it's a little quiet in your home. And since this is gonna go to be recycled, what I might end up doing is just saving this, and then I can double up on my insulation on the new dishwasher. Much easier. Let's just see if we can wiggle it. Oh, there we go. And we're draining some water. Sounds like one of those cow things.